I take my shirt off, I pull down my pants, and I'm going to take my first ever cold shower. I look myself in the mirror and I say, this is gonna be easy. This is gonna be easy, I'm built for this, because I've seen all these YouTube videos saying hype yourself up, do some push-ups. I do the King Kong chest thing. I get in, I don't start warm, I just pull it down to cold and pull the thing. And it was too cold, so I jumped out straight away. But then, I didn't give up. I said to myself, okay, it's challenging, but that's the point. So I went back in and I just pulled it and I didn't care how I felt. I was embracing the cold. Now I'd started taking cold showers because I wanted really clear skin at this point. I saw a video on YouTube, no fat plus cold showers for 30 days equals next level glow. So I was taking cold showers every single day, sometimes twice a day. And I got out of that cold shower and I got really scared because my willy had shrank. I didn't take much notice of it at first. I felt as if the more cold showers I took, the smaller it got. And at this point, I'm very insecure about how big my dick is because I want it to be big because all the girls will want it. So I see my willy shrinking. Well, I think it's shrinking. It's placebo. It's not actually shrinking. It's just because it's cold. So I go on the internet and I type up, do cold showers make your willy shrink? And it turns out they don't. So I had the biggest relief ever. I was loving cold showers at this point. I'd probably be taking them for about 7 days in a row. I couldn't go a morning without taking my morning cold shower. Then I got around that 30-day mark. I'd already failed on NoFap. That was still a key part of my life, but I'd been taking cold showers every single day for 30 days. And I definitely saw my skin get better. It's never bad, but I definitely saw it get better. And I remember I went away for a week. I went away for a week to New South Wales, Australia, where I didn't really have access to cold water. We only had hot water up there. So I didn't take a cold shower for 7 days. And I actually felt really shit about myself that I didn't take a cold shower for 7 days, even though I knew that I couldn't even take a cold shower. I think I went to the beach maybe once or twice and that was my cold exposure, but it was like 40 degrees. So that felt normal. I woke up more tired. I didn't feel myself. I wasn't as motivated as I usually was. And it got to around day 5 on my holiday because cold showers were a massive part of my life. And that's all I really cared about. All I cared about was really myself. Like I still cared about my family, of course I did. But my main priority at the time was becoming the best version of myself and to succeed on NoFap at this point. And cold showers made NoFap so much easier for me. So I was relapsing on my holiday like 3 or fucking 4 times a day. If I got a chance to bust a nut, I would bust one, bro. I hope my family isn't watching this video.
What the hell?
So I got back home and the first thing I did was literally unpack my stuff, pull my pants down, jump in a cold shower. I didn't care how cold it was because it was pretty hot at this point. It was like 30 to nearly 40 degrees every single day. So I just couldn't wait to take a cold shower. So I did it and I felt so amazing. I'd started taking my cold shower every single day. And then I come across an article. And this is a true story. I'm not making this shit up. This is all true, bro. This is all true. And I have it in my journal. This is how I remember this shit. I have it in my journal. I was taking a cold shower one day and I got out of the cold shower because I was wondering, why do I feel so good after taking a cold shower? I know that it's hard and we get we get reward after we do something hard, but I felt really good and I couldn't go a day without taking one. So I typed it up. Why am I addicted to cold showers? I literally typed it up. Why am I addicted to cold showers? And the first study that came up was that cold showers aren't as addicting to cocaine. However, they produce as much dopamine. I grew up in a household where drugs were very bad. Like we didn't touch them, which of course is what we should be doing, right? Like we shouldn't touch that shit. But I'd say my family was more no to that stuff than the average family. So I saw that and I'm like, shit, am I a cocaine addict? I was 15, I had no idea what I was doing. I just saw that and freaked out. But I read the article and I did some research about dopamine, what it is, and I came to the realization that a cold shower gives off similar, even more, and sometimes less, depending on the situation, of course, but on average, a little more or the same as a hit of cocaine. However, a hit of cocaine, depending on how much you take, of course, and the person, maybe lasts for an hour and then you come down and you crash, right? You're here, you come up with any drug on this earth. You're here, you come up and you come down and you come even worse down. Like you're here, you come up and then you're down here. But with a cold shower, you're here, and now you're here. right? You stay there. And after I read through that whole article, again, I did some research. I was so excited. I went to take another one. And at this point, I do not think I might have missed 3 or 4 days in the last 2.5 years of taking a cold shower every single day, but I literally can't go a day without taking them. And it's because I am addicted to the feeling, because I wake up here, right? I might wake up here, and if I don't take my cold shower, I'm gonna spend the rest of my day like that. Yeah, I'm gonna go in a straight line. But if I take my cold shower, I'm gonna be up here. My work's gonna be better, my productivity is gonna be better, my alertness is gonna be better, my communication skills are gonna be better, and that is the power of cold showers. I haven't even touched on some of the benefits that you will see. As soon as I started taking cold showers every single day, again, my productivity increased, my mood increased, of course, my energy increased, and more so of the non-psychological and biological things, my skin cleared up, yeah, because a cold shower acts as a natural moisturizer. For some people, it can help lose weight because I'm pretty sure cold showers burn brown fat cells. You have to do more research on that. I'm not saying you can go from 150 kilos to 75 kilos when you take a cold shower. That's not the case. But there's so many benefits to cold showers, I don't know why you aren't taking them. So, I want you to go and take a cold shower right now. And I want you to let me know how you feel in the comments. Seriously, go and take one right now. Because if I haven't motivated you to take a cold shower yet, I don't know what will. After you do that, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video, bro. Peace.